expecting a blue mud dauber. The blue mud dauber is a metallic blue species of mud dauber wasp that is a primary predator of black widow spiders. She is busy with building a nest or adopting a hole as a new nest. She had to do some modifications. The base is ready, she laid eggs at the base, now food for the larvae. As we already said that the food is spiders, I have just pulled out a spider to confirm. She felt a slight discomfort as I pulled a spider. Anyway, she placed it again in the nest. She is collecting as many spiders as she can and arranging in the nest carefully. The food is ready, egg is laid, and it's time for sealing the door. As the name indicates, it is mud she is using to seal the door. I had followed her for the source, but I didn't find any. She mixes the saliva with mud and closed the nest. Larvae eats the feast and drill the door from the inside and fly away. Now it's time for some decoration. I don't know what kind of material she is using to decorate the door as white. Door is sealed. Now wait for the baby to